Okay.
Alright, here we are in Churchill, Manitoba, out in the tundra. This is what we came for. So, as you can see probably around my head, there's a few mosquitoes out, but it's not too bad so far. Beautiful weather, it's supposed to be up to 25 degrees today, which is amazingly warm for up here. Right behind me, got a pair of American golden plovers. They seem to be nesting, so trying to work on getting some good shots of them here, and we'll show you those here in just a second.
Pause. Action.
Hi there, I'm David with Nature's Photo Adventures, and Glenn and I are down here at Cape St. Mary in beautiful Churchill, Manitoba. It's a kind of overcast and then sunny afternoon, and we're right at the point. The tide is up high right now, and we've already seen our first parasitic Jaeger and shot that. And here come some eiders now. Common mergansers. There they go, and that's what we're doing down here today. It's a lot of fun. Quite a bit of action in the first few minutes, and hope to get some great shots here.
Alright, up here in Churchill doing a boat tour looking for beluga whales and possibly polar bears, birds, whatever. It's pretty cool. Actually, literally cool. It's freezing. Action.
We've just come across this pond out here in the tundra, and it's got 2 Pacific loons in it. The sun is low in the sky. We've got some beautiful light. This is an amazing opportunity. We're going to go out there and sneak around the far side and see if we can't get some great images of these beautiful birds.
Here we are in Churchill, Manitoba, photographing an amazing colony here of Arctic terns. They're flying all around out here, and they're nesting just beyond me here. Every once in a while they fly by and you can get some amazing flight opportunities. Look at him. There he is right now.
We've had a fantastic day.
Tell us what we've seen.
We've seen everything, including a polar
bear. A new breed.
A polar bear. Just now we just had a polar bear, and we've had wonderful bird sightings this morning.
So what would you say about Nature's Photo Adventures, Churchill Adventure?
Fantastic. Try them sometime.
So how was the morning, ladies? Deborah?
Oh, good. Good. Nice.
What were you photographing?
Dunlin and breeding plumage, the 2 birds least, semi-palmated plover, and then flight shots of terns.
What do you think about Churchill, Manitoba?
Love it. It's fantastic.
May, how about you?
It's great. It's great.